Assalamu alaikum, it's Jenny. Welcome back to my channel. So I am certain most of you, some of you, many of you might be familiar with halwa. You might probably know like cream of wheat halwa, right? Now that's one of my favorite things. It's absolutely delicious. Now over the weekend I was introduced to a different type of halwa. Apparently when a baby is born, one of the cultures or traditions to celebrate the birth of a baby is to make halwa. Now the halwa that you're thinking is not the halwa that was actually made. This was new to me, but apparently it was made when I was born too. It's just a traditional something, and it's a Indo-Caribbean culture or tradition that they do to celebrate the birth of a baby. So I grabbed the camera. I don't know, the quality might not be so good because it was different phone cameras because some phone batteries died and for storage space and all sorts of things, but I tried to get clips of it to show you guys what or how it was made over the weekend. So it was pretty interesting. So let me show you the video. But of course, before we jump into the video, you know the regular thing, guys. You guys have to hit the subscribe button and also the bell notification button. The bell notification button just ensures that you don't miss any of my videos once they are posted. So enough talk, let's talk about the halwa now. So the basic ingredients they used was included flour, evaporated milk, condensed milk. There's something called halwa masala. I did not even know that, to be honest with you. So the halwa masala, some whole grain, some saffron powder, some margarine, some oil. I think I covered it there. And I think that's just basically it. First thing that you need to do for this, basically, is to parch the flour. So she added some flour to the pot, dry pot of course, and she continued turning it until all of it was nice and brown.
You have to like sift it.
Sift it.
Open milk, sugar, and make a little paste.
Mommy, where the masala? I mean,
Yeah, we are getting masala.
no,
Not yet, just now.
I'm gonna get you in it.
It's still in the middle. You go.
Look at Nana making
what is Nana making?
powder.
You get it?
Color. And
What's eating? Where was eating?
actually
And she had it.
spinning and spinning and spinning with her right
She had
hand.
this spoon.
Correct, that is Nana's right. Then, once it was cool, we sifted it and make sure that there are no clumps in it.
Like this. Very good.
Put your hand.
Can even eat.
Like this. Hit,
No.
hit it one hand.
She don't touch her hand.
Look, Mama.
Very good, honey.
Are you with a spoon?
Oh, okay.
Do-do-do-do-do-do-do.
You're true enough too. And once all was sifted, we grated ginger and we added ginger to it. Now the ginger you could use as much as you like.
She had opened the milk.
Look up the milk, right?
Yeah.
You gotta use more. You're mixing it up? After that, we empty the condensed milk and the evaporated milk into it.
It's the best condensed milk. That's all. Come on.
Ma
You see
don't
what?
want the milk to
What?
leave
Yeah.
waste any at all.
No, nothing. I always. And look about that.
Well, I don't know, so that's why it is.
No, you always. Alright, good. You see, I had to stir it up like that.
Can I help you?
No.
Sure.
When the next one. Yeah.
And you can whisk it all together. You don't want any clumps in it. So what mommy did was just use a hand blender and just blend everything up. So it was pretty nice and smooth. So if it too thick, you put in some
It
water.
took take yes. Throw all that. Right. And you see it get good.
That's how it's supposed to be.
Yeah, that's how it's
You
supposed to
again?
be.
We just set that aside, and in a dry pot, what my grandmother did was just heat up some oil. She added saffron powder, whole grain jeera, and she made a paste with the halwa masala and some water. Then she added that to the oil, the whole grain jeera, and the saffron powder, and it's just as though like when you're cooking curry. So you're just gonna make sure and toast it up nice and everything. It darkens a little bit.
Sure. Don't have to put this on after. Yeah. We had to cook. I don't need this.
And then she added the margarine.
Next one.
Margarine?
Yeah, open the next one.
Can't do this one.
When this
Make sure it was nicely melted.
No, just now, right?
You have to wait until
2 minutes. When this melt, you go put in the liquid. Yeah, but you have to real stir it after. Yeah, but you have to turn.
And then that's it?
That's it. Yeah.
Okay. Then she started adding in the flour, the milk mixture.
Make it this already, so you have to make it. Right. Sorry, hand got tired, all you have to tell. Sure. That's why I say a big pot, you know, there enough time, place to store it.
That one kind of dangerous.
Yeah. Yeah,
And the next step was basically she just keep turning it up until it was nicely incorporated. And she added one whole margarine coming on to the end of it, and that's just to make sure it's nice and moist. So this is what the finished halwa look like. No matter what exactly this you do this for. Mommy says after baby's born.
after baby born.
So this is, you know, they have like the normal halwa, like this is not normal halwa. You know what normal halwa
Yes,
is?
yes,
But
yes.
it's different.
No,
This-
halwa masala make it different.
So that's just normally when baby's born, you do
Born,
that. It's
yes.
a traditional kind of
Yes,
thing.
yeah.
So I don't think I ever heard of this. but
Yes, I make
I
it
never
when
tried any of that.
She would have made it when I was born.
born, yeah.
Oh my goodness.
I make it when Levi born. I make it when she born, when Karen born, all my grand.
Not bad. It just tasting the hardy in it.
But I had a taste.
Yeah.
Let me go. Right, guys, right?
I want you to bring the pot.
Me, I can't hold it fast. You hold it. It's hot, girl. Don't hold it. Don't touch it. Don't touch it. It's hot. Now the next thing mommy told me was normally you eat it with toasty roti. You guys did not know something. You all learned something today for sure. So how many of you guys are familiar with this tradition? How many of you guys have made halwa in this traditional way before? Comment down below. Let me know if you did learn something new today. Let me know. It wasn't that bad, man. It actually had a different taste in curry, sort of saffron taste that you got it. But I really thought that I did share it with you all because it was new to me. So why not share it? It's food, right? So it's pretty interesting to see. So hope you guys enjoyed this. Hope you guys have learned something if you all were not familiar with it, of course. And like I said, if you are familiar with it, let me know how it is done. If there's any different way that you guys do it, because I think I heard that some of it sometimes it's more on a liquid side. It depends on how you like it. It doesn't have to be too firm, but not too flowy. But some people do it a little more on the liquidy, flowy side of it. So I don't know. Comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. Alright. So thanks so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video for sure. Stay tuned for lots more videos to come.